welcome back to another video. I'm Korenn Rachelle, and this is my brisket nacho recipe. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that button. And I'm showing you here the texture of this vegan brisket. It is one of those mock roasts that you definitely want to have in your arsenal. It is useful in so many different applications. Here I used it in some soup, and as you can see, it falls apart. I also used it inside of some tacos, and they were absolutely delicious. In this application, I use it inside of my beef patties or my mock beef patties. And as you can see here, I also use the brisket or the vegan brisket inside of 2 vegan Philly cheesesteaks. They were absolutely delicious. Without further ado, let's put this brisket to work with these vegan nachos. This recipe you definitely want to try out. It was absolutely delicious. So I'm getting started here with this sour cream, and it's salsa verde, avocado, and vegan sour cream. This dip / sour cream was so delicious. Definitely recommend it. Here I have some fresh jalapenos, some chopped cilantro, and if you watch my birrias in tacos video, you know this chili oil is fire. So I have some left over, and into the pot it goes with some pinto beans, and I just cook the pinto beans inside of the chili sauce, and those are ready to go. A really quick, simple, easy vegan cheese sauce. I use the Follow Your Heart shreds. Here is some of the brisket. I'm just reheating it, as you can see here. And here are the nachos. And so I layer the nachos, the cheese, the mock brisket, also the pinto beans, I make sure to top this with plenty of that green sour cream. I guess I'll call it the green sour cream. It was so delicious. Like, this is one of those recipes you want to try out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're looking for more details on the recipe, go ahead and click the link in the description box below, and I will see you next time. Before you leave, make sure you go over and check out my Instagram account, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I would love to see your food pictures, so make sure you tag me in any of your vegan food pictures, and check out some of my other videos. I have a couple linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it, and I will see you next time.